Above, the world breathes. Sunlight dances on emerald leaves, and rivers, like liquid silver, carve pathways through ancient stone. Here, life bursts forth in verdant splendor. But the earth holds secrets, deeper still. Beyond the sun's embrace, where silence reigns, lies a realm of esoteric beauty, born of water and time. Follow the whispers of the water as it carves these subterranean cathedrals. Here, rivers, unseen by the sun, sculpt grand alcoves and vast caverns, each a testament to nature's patient artistry. Every drip, every flow, shapes a world apart. Stone blossoms into frozen cascades, and the air hums with the profound quiet of creation. This is where the earth's raw power and delicate grace converge in an eternal, living embrace. From the light-drenched canopy to the heart of the earth, nature's intricate dance unfolds, a symphony of hidden wonders, reminding us that true beauty often resides not just in what we see, but in the profound mystery that lies beneath.